there's gas stuff.
We normally sell old vintage parts, so we come across this and Hubby's stripping it down. We got a lot of parts for sale off of this thing. So we're going to just let me know what you need on it. We'll walk around and look at it. You're keeping the frame and the wheels, right?
Yeah, I'm keeping the rolling frame.
Rolling frame.
But all this is coming, the whole shell's coming off.
Shell's coming off, okay.
And I mean, it's got some good like dash parts and pieces.
Yeah.
You know, little trim pieces for the interior that you can't really get nowhere.
We took all this off on the inside, and I'll show you what we got over there, but
yeah,
it's got some good pieces on it if anybody's looking for some. It's got a good deck lid.
Wish it was not busted.
Yeah.
I'd have to get somebody to take it out.
Got a good deck lid. The other side of it's good too. I got a picture of it. Let's go over here and look at those interior pieces you took off.
Yeah, and got like the air conditioning stuff. All this is still good.
I'll give you some good prices on this. So starting at $5,
Yeah.
right?
Make an offer.
Make an offer on it. If you want it all, make an offer. We'll take offers on all of it.
And we got the sunroof.
Yeah, got the sunroof over here. Here's some, you said that was air conditioning lines and stuff?
Yeah, air conditioning lines, and that right there is some sort of, I would say that's power steering or transmission.
Those things are expensive. We just had to buy some of this for one of our vehicles. So.
And there's the dash. I mean, console.
Yeah, it's got the wood grain on it.
Yeah, you got the
inserts.
Inside. I unscrewed all that. There's the side pieces in the front to go under the dash.
Dash mat. Is that a dash mat?
Yeah, that's a dash mat.
Yeah. Got the sunroof over there.
Yeah.
And no wires are cut. It's all unplugged, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's all unplugged. I unplugged all of it, so all of the little things are still good.
Yeah. That's the side pieces right there?
Yeah, that's the back.
Back.
In the back, side pieces.
Okay. And we got all kind of trim pieces right here.
Yeah.
The door handles and overhead console.
Yeah, here's the
sun visors.
Sun visors.
Yeah.
Vanity mirrors. And the other side.
So you got the garage thing on. What's that other side?
Well, it needs some cleaning.
It needs some cleaning.
That's the sticker the sticker here's come off.
Yeah.
But I mean, you know.
Yeah, got some good
somebody
parts on
could
it.
use. Still got all the little pieces here, all these little, you know, all those little pieces there that go in the holes.
It's a Yukon Denali?
Yeah.
Yukon Denali. Molly, hush. Hush.
Hey.
Hey. Anyway, that's what we got. We got to go capture our little dog. She's headed to the neighbors.
And here's this little piece here that goes in the...
Yep. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let us know what you want. Buy it all or let us know what piece you need.